Take your yoga practice to the next level with the SarahBethYoga membership and app, designed to get you fit, flexible, happy, and healthy with modern day yoga led by me. Hi, I'm Sarah Beth, certified Power Vinyasa yoga teacher, certified prenatal yoga teacher, with trainings in Hatha and Yin and over 10 years of experience teaching online and in studio. A lot of people tell me that they find it difficult to stay consistent and motivated in their practice. So I created the SarahBethYoga app to make your daily practice your strongest practice, with hundreds of yoga videos, including member-only 5 to 90-minute yoga videos, live yoga experiences, full-length yoga classes, and professionally curated yoga calendars that you can do with our supportive member community. You'll get unlimited access to stream all of this on all of your devices, including your computer, your TV, tablet, and cell phone. And you can download on your mobile devices for offline viewing, perfect for travel or going to the gym. This is for the yogi who wants to build a consistent yoga practice in their own time and understands that even 5 minutes a day is better for you than 1 hour once a week. All levels are welcome, including beginner, prenatal, and postnatal yogis too. So come on in, make your daily practice your strongest practice, and join me and the thousands of yogis already inside. Just click the link in the description and I'll see you there.